I woke up and got in the shower, washed my hair, and said, you know what? Today's gonna be the day. We gonna cut it. Like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain. I know. Okay, girl. We just getting a Kroger so that we can do this grocery shopping so that we can be prepared for the week. Because, girl, we're gonna meal prep today. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get in here so that we can get out. Hold on, don't cross that street yet. Kai, you need to put those chips right back in the car. You can't take chips into the store. No. Girl, not the Girl Scouts outside being aggressive. She said, Girl Scout cookies. Get your Girl Scout cookies. God dang. Be polite. Cree, this way. Kai, Cree. Yeah, let's go this way. Hey guys, look, another day at the gym. Okay, I'm super excited to get this workout in, y'all. For some reason, I'll be excited for Monday to roll back around so that I can get into my routine, stay in my routine and everything like that. So yeah, look at us. Consistency. What is this? The third week? Okay, this is the third week of us going to the gym and working out consistently. Okay, so the goal is to work out 3 times out of the week. Today is Monday. Let's go ahead and get this workout in and, you know, enjoy this Monday. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all, we just finished up with Pilates and Pilates was great. Now we are at Two Eggs having just like a little solo breakfast. I know we're like close up in each other's face, but it's okay. The vibes are here. I like it. Pilates is literally like 2 doors down, and when I saw Two Eggs, I was like, let me just go ahead and stop. I was actually planning to grab something and leave, but I literally decided to stay for the vibes. If you're a foodie, this is a good spot to come and eat and do your work or just whatever, y'all. Y'all see it's got the bar, so that means mimosas. It's nice, and this feels really good. But let me not even hold y'all. We literally have 1 bar left on the camera, and I want to be able to show y'all the food, okay? Because your girl got, you know, a little bit of waffle, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of egg. No, I ain't get no eggs, but I did get some potatoes. So yeah, but let me stop yapping and I'll show y'all. Thank you. All right, y'all, we're back in the gym, day 2. I told myself that I was going to show up for me at least 3 times a week, and honestly, I'm slowly easing into that promise. Discipline is hard, girl. It really is hard, okay? Some days you just don't feel like doing it. Some days the bed is calling your name. But today I showed up, okay? And honestly, I just want to encourage whoever might need to hear this, whether it's getting in the gym, eating healthier, starting a business, creating content, or whatever goal you've been putting off, just start. It may not be perfect, it may not be pretty, but starting can literally change your life. Lately, I've been reading my Bible, the book of Proverbs to be exact, and one thing that's been standing out to me is the importance of discipline and consistency, not just in one area, but in how we steward everything that God has given us. For me, showing up in the gym is bigger than fitness. It's me showing up for myself, but it's also me showing up for God. I could have stayed in bed, like I said before. I could have made excuses, but God has blessed me with a body that moves, a body that functions, and good health. And I want to take care of that gift because truthfully, showing up is just half the battle. And y'all, after this workout, I felt alive and energized. I was very proud of myself. So get ready because this gym girl era is in full effect. It's not just living in my head anymore. It's about to start showing up on the outside and how I live my life. But for now, we're taking it one workout at a time, one promise at a time, and we're sticking with it. Okay, so I know y'all are probably wondering how the heck did we get here and why is the rest of the video starting to feel like a voiceover? Girl, that is because I was being consistent in filming the content. However, talking to y'all was not my strong point this week. But we are in the barbershop getting these kids hair cut, y'all. We got plans this weekend, so just stay tuned. But for now, let's go ahead and get these boys together.
So part of my blunt is I see fast pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Stand up, put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush?
And just like that, the next time you see me, we're celebrating my baby. This year was different. This year I wanted to be more intentional about making sure my son felt celebrated, loved, and seen. My baby turned 7 years old, y'all. And where has the time gone? We spent the day at Immersive Game Box, and honestly, it was such a good experience. The staff was amazing. The games challenged the kids a little bit, and hearing all the laughter throughout the day made everything completely worth it. So shout out to my little guy on turning 7, and honestly, shout out to me too. Because motherhood isn't always easy, but days like this remind me that every sacrifice, every lesson, and every moment is totally worth it. So the girl, be in my chair. Girl, I literally just sat in the bathroom, right, and cut my hair. Maybe if I put like something on my lips, it'll get better. I have no idea what I was going for. I was thinking that maybe I wanted to just cut off all of the dead hair. Let me spin around for y'all. That's what we did, okay? I'm not sure what the back looks like. I refuse to look at it because I see how the front looks. But, y'all, what did I do? I don't know. They were laughing at me in the group chat. It looked like Goku and them. But you know what? Maybe if I just like fix it a little bit, give myself like an actual style. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I could do like how Gabrielle Union had her hair and breaking all the rules. Okay, I could do that. Okay, for those of you that don't know, let me go ahead and add the picture right here for reference. Okay. I don't know. It's got bounce. I don't know, y'all. I was just trying to cut off all of the dead hair. That's it. That's it. I was not expecting for it to turn out like this. I mean, then again, yes, I was, because I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. But we're going to work through this. We're going to work through this. So now I have to think about either how to fix this or how to style it, or if I'm going to put a wig on or do a quick wig. Like, at this point, I've got options. But I just wanted to get on here and show y'all what I did on this Good Friday. And I was already thinking about like cutting my hair and stuff like that. And this morning I woke up and got in the shower, washed my hair, and said, you know what? Today's gonna be the day. We gonna cut it. So I blow dried it out. I blow dried it out while I took the kids' meeting at school. You know, because I'm a PTA mom. And I went to town on some scissors. And this is literally what it was. Y'all, everything was dead. My hair was dead. Now we're on a mission to first fix this. But then two, we are also going to build, okay? We are going to build a hair routine. Y'all. But y'all, look at my. It's interesting. I'm gonna think on how I'm gonna fix it. And I'll be back to y'all. Bad like that, you know.